Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data security with Symantec easy tutorial step by step clearly. Download the Symantec data security software from the official website. Install the application by following the on-screen prompts. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. You will be greeted with a login screen. Enter your credentials to access the dashboard. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Once logged in, explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the layout. Navigate to the Settings section to configure your preferences. Here, you can choose from various security options like encryption and file protection. Select the encryption feature to start securing your sensitive data. Choose the files or folders you wish to encrypt. Click the Encrypt button to initiate the process. Monitor the progress bar to ensure the encryption completes successfully. Next, head over to the Policy Management section. This allows you to set up policies for data access and sharing. Create a new policy by clicking on the Add Policy option. Define the criteria for the policy, such as user roles and data sensitivity levels. Save your changes once you have finalized the policy settings. Now, go to the User Management section to add team members. Click the Add User button and fill in the required details. Assign the appropriate permissions based on each user's role. After users are added, notify them to check their email for login instructions. Finally, review the Reports section to monitor data security activities. Generate reports regularly to stay informed about potential security threats. This completes the setup for data security with Symantec. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.